Cuisinart Compact Single Serve Coffee Maker is designed for K-Cup compatibility, but you can get this insert and you can go international with your coffee. We're going to make a Thai iced coffee and use some fresh ground cardamom and beans to make an incredible summer treat. The instant heat technology is energy efficient. Using a quartz glass heater, it brings water to brewing temperature in just seconds. With brewing finished in just a few seconds, I've got a fragrance in the kitchen of cardamom and fresh ground coffee. I've got the option for 6, 8, and 10-ounce cups, which is perfect for using whatever glass you want. A quick stir, all of the ingredients come together nicely. And to make sure that it's chilled perfectly, the top with a little bit of ice, and that is ready to serve. The Cuisinart Compact Single Serve Coffee Maker is like taking a trip to the barista. Everybody gets exactly what they want. This mochaccino latte is perfect, combining coffee with hot chocolate. You're gonna love it. With 6 ounces of freshly brewed coffee and some piping hot chocolate milk. This could be done on the stovetop or in the milk frother. Look at the finish. Oh, it looks and smells incredible. Top it up with some of that foam and finish it with a nice dusting of some Dutch cocoa. The Cuisinart Compact Single Serve Coffee Maker is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, turn the power on. 2, select your pod and insert. And 3, select the size. You can select from 6 ounce, 8 ounce, or 10 ounce portions. And you can put big cups in there. Look at the size of this cup for this Café de Olla. This is a Mexican-inspired recipe with some cinnamon, molasses, and brown sugar. This is gonna light up your coffee life. With instant heat technology, this custom coffee is finished in just a matter of minutes. A quick stir and the heat is activating the cinnamon. All of the ingredients are melting into the coffee, and the fragrance, it's like a trip to Mexico. The Cuisinart Compact Single Serve Coffee Maker is a perfect fit. It takes up very little counter space, and the easy to fill reservoir on the back has a built-in charcoal filter, so your coffee tastes the same every time. Now I'm going to be preparing a classic, an Irish coffee, and the great thing about the Compact Single Serve is that it heats up so quickly. 6, 8, or 10 ounces, whatever serving size you want. Two Irish coffees ready in just minutes, and a beautiful whipped foam to finish.